Hello, this is Dr. Carmina Cardenas. I am a board-certified plastic surgeon. My practice is in Tijuana, Mexico, and thank you for choosing us and let us introduce to you to the plastic and reconstructive surgery.
Thank you, Doctor. First of all, let us say that we are in your new installations,
Yes.
the BeautyEnhance Plastic Surgery Center.
Yes.
Is that correct? And you are just a few moments away from surgery.
Yes.
Yes?
I'm ready to.
Oh, fine. One question that is asked many times by our viewers is, what is the difference between plastic,
And reconstructive.
reconstructive, and aesthetic surgery?
Okay. Plastic and aesthetic surgery are pretty much the same. It is all of the procedures involved to enhance the body area, the face area, and the reconstructive surgery is itself, the name has, it is about bringing to normal or closer to normal those areas that they were impaired because of an injury, because of a genetic condition, or because complication, or after a major surgery, like after cancer removal or things like that. That is reconstructive surgery.
Okay, like just to make it clear, just like breast reconstruction after...
After breast cancer, or after a brain tumor removal, or after tumor in any other limbs, or that type of surgeries.
Okay, doctor, what is or why is it important for a plastic surgeon to be a member of the Mexican Council for Plastic Reconstructive or Aesthetic Surgery?
Yes, that will give especially the patients the reassurance that they are going to be taken care of very well trained and knowledgeable specialists. We are a specialist first. After the medicine school, we became a specialist on general surgery. Then we do boards again to become a plastic surgeon, plastic and reconstructive surgeon. And it is very important because that will give the reassurance to people that they are under the bare hands to be treated about all of the cosmetic or plastic procedures or the reconstructive procedures.
Okay, Mexico, especially Tijuana, has become very famous amongst Europeans who want to come here to have plastic surgery performed. How long would it be necessary for a patient to be here in Tijuana after, let us say, a liposuction?
Okay, in our experience with patients who are coming far away from Mexico, from Tijuana or the country, we recommend, for instance, after a liposuction to stay at least 2 weeks, 10 days, the latest 2 weeks, just to be sure that the patient is going to come back home in the best way, in the best manner. They are going to be completely recovered. They're going to be still under a compression garment, but anymore under drain tube or under stitches.
Okay.
After a tummy tuck, that is probably the longest recovery. We are gonna tell them to stay for 2 or 3 weeks, just to be sure that they are coming back home safe and sound.
Okay, many patients believe that when they come here they can get the whole thing done. Meaning to say, they may want to have a Brazilian butt, or they may want to have their face done, and they want to have their tummy done, and maybe even their breasts as well. Is that possible?
Of course not. Always the first thing that we are going to be taking care of is your own health and safety. So, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, I prefer to do a single procedure that involves, for instance, the body contour. only liposuction, tummy tuck, and Brazilian butt lift, period. Then after 6 to 8 months, we may continue with the breast lift, because breast really needs its own perfect conditions to heal properly. And facelift could be the last stage of the surgery, because that is already a very long surgery, probably the longest of the plastic procedures, 6-7 hours procedures. So no, definitely that cannot be done all in one single procedure.
Okay. Now, you have in your installations your own operating theaters.
Yes.
And you have hospitalization facilities.
Yes.
How long would a patient be within your clinic? And then do you have an outside place where patients can stay while they are in recovery?
Yes. Depending on the patient's condition after the surgery, we always recommend to stay 1 day, that means 24 hours after the surgery, and then they may be moved to a place to recover. That is a beauty care, it's called Beauty Care Recovery House. That is the only recovery house that is accepted for the health department in Tijuana, Mexico. And there is the place where they are going to recover the whole time, the whole frame of time.
Okay, the last question, I know it's a $1 million question, but I will ask it. On average, what is the cost of a liposuction?
An average, thinking that it is a patient with a mid-size, that it is not overweight, taking in account that we are going to do also the Brazilian butt lift to take advantage of the fat harvested during the procedure. It is an average of $3,500, $3,800, more or less.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. I know you are eager to go to your surgery.
Yes.
And felicitations for your new clinic.
Thank you very much, and just want to encourage everybody to be sure that you are under the correct hands. Choose always a board certified plastic surgeon here in Mexico, the US, Canada, wherever you go. Be sure that you are under the correct hands.
Okay, thank you very much. I just would like to say that I'm very happy to be here with you, because you are the first female plastic surgeon we have registered here in Tijuana.
Yes.
And
we are not that many. Yeah.
I know you're not.
Yes.
You're very hard to find.
Thank
Well,
you very much.
thank you very much and have a nice day.
So do you. Thank you.